In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all images from trash folder automatically in Canva. If you've ever wondered what happens to the images and designs you've removed in Canva, here's the simple answer: Canva automatically deletes everything in your trash after a 30-day recovery period. You don't have to switch on a setting or change anything for this to happen. That 30-day window is there so you can restore something if you change your mind, and once that period ends, Canva clears it out for you without any extra steps. Now, if you don't want to wait and you'd rather clear your trash right away, you can do a quick manual cleanup. Start from your home page in Canva. Look to the top left corner and click the 3 horizontal lines to open the main menu. From that menu, select Trash. This takes you to a dedicated view of everything you've previously deleted. It's a good moment to scan the list and make sure there's nothing you still need, because once you fully clear it, those items are gone for good. When you're ready to remove everything, go to the top right of the trash screen and click Empty Trash. Canva will ask you to confirm. Click Delete All to finalize. That confirmation is your last checkpoint, so take a second to be sure. After you click, the deletion is permanent, and you won't be able to restore those items later. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother: if you don't see the empty trash option, first make sure you're actually in the trash section and that there are items listed. Sometimes, if your trash is already empty, the button won't appear. Also, consider giving your trash a quick review before you clear it. If you spot something important, you can recover it during the 30-day window, but once you empty the trash or the 30 days pass, it's permanently removed. To recap, Canva handles automatic deletion for you after 30 days, so you don't need to adjust any settings. And if you prefer to clear things immediately, go to your home page, open the menu with the 3 horizontal lines, choose Trash, click Empty Trash at the top right, and confirm by selecting Delete All. That's all you need to keep your Canva workspace tidy and clutter-free. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you feel confident managing your trash in Canva.